Welcome to Mr. Robot channel. Today we are going to see how to extract snack bar or toast messages from web application. So these are the activities. Today we are going to see demo and attach window, click activity, get attribute, and finally the toast message we are displaying in message box. So before going to see development, today I'm using this W3 School web application, and these are the source code I'm using, showing that while clicking this button, it will show bottom some toast message and it will disappear after 3 seconds. And, these are the source code I'm copying from here, W3 Schools. So I'm clicking it right itself. I'm closing this window and I'm copying this left side HTML code and take notepad and paste it here and save it as desktop.html format. HTML, save desktop. And I'm closing this window, and this is the HTML file. I'm opening with the Firefox. Currently my machine is having Firefox. See, this is the example. We're going to extract toast message. So I'm opening UI path, taking attach window, indicating on the screen. I'm taking next click activity, indicate the element in button, so snack bar. And next activities, get attributes. So before going to extract the all the attributes, so in Firefox, I'm pressing F12. So, and another way also is there in web application, web page, right click and inspect, it will open. And these are the actual source code I'm copied, that HTML to notepad. So these are the code, entire code. This is the script files, entire the things. So here some text, some message is displaying that bottom of the toast message. So I'm selecting here, and right side here, this is the CSS cascading style sheet properties. So I'm unchecking visibility, and these are the width, left, right, alignment, color, this kind of things. We can change it here web browser also. And I'm unchecked. See, now it is displaying static. So I'm closing this, and I'm indicating, and I'm opening here, open in UI Explorer. This is one of the tool in UiPath inbuilt. So it will load all the web page DOM elements, DOM tree, and properties, everything. So I'm again indicating. So it will load all the div tags. What are the tags, IDs, inner text, everything. See, AA name. See, this is the AA name currently where we need to extract. So I'm selecting this, and I'm copying this attribute name and press save. And here I'm passing double quotes AA name, And here properties, we need to result extract that toast message result, and I'm creating one variable str output, and next thing is message box displaying str output, and save it. Before running, we need to refresh. So we need to refresh the browser because already old instance is there. So if you are seeing here, this property is checked only. So now I'm running. Let's see, run the file. It is executing. I think something problem was there. So let's see. I'm stopping the code and I'm opening the click selector. So it is not validated, not indicated properly. Again, I'm indicating. Save. And again, I'm running. See, this is the abstraction. Again, I'm running. Some text, some message. So I'm going to again change the some message. Open with this notepad. So I'm saving, and here in get attribute, now here a value is changing. So we need to edit selector here, and here we need to pass star while characters selectors, and validate and click OK. So here that star will allow zero or multiple value, any value it will allow. So again, I'm running on the file. Some text message is not changing. Let's see. The old instance was there. Again, we need to open UI Explorer. And save the text file. Sorry. Open plus. Already saved. And, close this. Again, I'm opening Firefox. Okay. Again, I'm running. My name is Mr. Rob. So that's it for this demo. So we can achieve this post message extract new web path. Thank you for watching my channel.